Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about what is TalkBack feature in Realme smartphone. Let's see. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on system, or you can also click on accessibility. And friends, here it is the TalkBack feature. First you have to turn it on. TalkBack feature is for those who are blind or cannot see, and it will talk back means it will speak back when you just tap on anything. Click on this, allow this first, and you can see the TalkBack is on, and you can see that this. And friends, here it is the TalkBack feature. Friends, TalkBack provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. TalkBack can be helpful for people who have difficulty seeing the screen. You can see this when you just double tap any of the things, it will start or it will back. When I just tap one time, it is selected, and double tap to just on the home. And when you want to just swipe the screen, then you have to just double swipe like this. You can see this is how you can swipe it. And if you want to open settings, then click on one time settings and double tap to on it. This is how you can use your phone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.